So, thank you for choosing Varnas as one of your partners for catering to technology aspects of the industry. And Varnas, you know that we have been partners of Microsoft for several years, and we are also academic alliance partner for Microsoft Dynamics. We were talking about ERP, and will you be able to tell me how this ERP is beneficial? A course in ERP is beneficial.
We know that in the market, students without this exposure is like fish out of water. Today in the corporate world, students, especially the B-school outputs, should have reasonable exposure of ERP, failing which they will have a shock. So this is something that was seen, and also we got several feedback from our own alumni that this exposure will help our students before they enter the corporate world, generally about the ERP. And possibly the interaction with you helped us to get closer. Then yes, we thought, okay, now here is a product. And again, you mentioned about Microsoft Dynamics.
Yeah. Why do you think Microsoft Dynamics?
The science is drawing us closer.
Yeah.
Right? And if you look into the globalization scenario today, the market is not only the big corporates, even the small and medium enterprises are getting more focus, especially in India. You can see the recent developments that are happening in the market, where even the banks are making special cells and trying to reach this sector. And I also read, Microsoft is trying to do something a product which can be accessed by this sector.
Correct.
And I also know that many of our students would be the prospective entrepreneurs in the days to come.
True, very true.
So keeping all this in mind, I thought an exposure of this product would definitely help them to shape their career better. So fortunately for us, this interaction helped us to move forward. And we are waiting to see how our students respond and do better on this line.
And you were mentioning something about simulation, learning through simulation. Do you want to mention something on that?
Yeah, exactly. In fact, that's what I meant when I say the shock when you enter the corporate world, where they will be completely no idea what exactly has to be done. Tomorrow they may be working on any other package, but this exposure will make them feel little, in the same environment, fall in line with the environment and feel a part of the system.
Yeah, true.
So that's where this kind of a program will help them. It's nothing new to them when they enter that. It's only the question of realignment and adjustment to that particular product. So that's where I find this product will be helping our students.
Where do you think the JKSHIM stands today in the market? If you look at the Indian MBA institutes.
Thank you very much for this question. Actually, if you look at the recent Business India survey, which was done last year, we were ranked A++, a jump from A+, which were all these days. The institute has been focusing on research activities, apart from our academic deliveries. We take projects from the field and work on that, and there is a continuous effort in having our faculty raised to the PhD level.
Okay.
And all these things have contributed. We have done a lot of activities focusing on students' development in this institute, and there's a constant and continuous effort on this line. The faculty, the management are continuously working together on these lines, and fortunately again our management responds positive to all our suggestions. I think as I see, we are somewhere in the top 50, you can say, definitely in the country.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
So how do you think your this alliance with Microsoft or alliance with Varnas Technologies will help you be there, or motion for
Definitely. This is, you know, something where, you know, immediately where there is sugar, there is no lot of ants getting. The same way now we don't do anything. We just give the training. Our students go out.
Okay.
Once
Then
they
this is a propagate.
perform automatically, people will come to us, and you know, the message spreads. People come. Both, you know, the quality students will be there, and their performance level also improves. It's a continuous exercise in terms of continuous improvement. That's all I can say in terms of this particular program. Is one more step forward.